Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Weekend Vibes with Shornette. It is Saturday morning and we're in the kitchen up early. We are cooking. We're cooking up a storm. Today we're going to be cooking. My mom is here and she is cooking cow foot and chicken foot soup. It is always a vibe, so subscribe. Keep watching. Over here we have the cow feet or cow foot, whichever one you call it. We're gonna clean. Okay guys, so here we are. Mommy's cleaning up the cow foot. So we're gonna get those cleaned up and then we are going to put over here already cleaned up, and the chicken foot already cleaned up. We're also putting some red peas in there, so we already cooked the red peas. All right, so now we're going to wash the cow foot with some vinegar. So that's distilled vinegar. Look at it. And she's washing it. Okay, so the cow foot is all washed. And now we're gonna wash the chicken foot. So she's washing it with a little vinegar as well, just to clean the meat. Yeah. Okay guys, so Mommy's gonna add some seasoning to the cow foot. Okay. A little dash. And this is Easy Spice meat seasoning, Jamaican choice, garlic powder. So I'm just putting a little of everything on it, so it will be blend, and when it is on the fire cooking, then we can add a little more of green seasoning and such. So this is all-purpose seasoning, and I will portion so it won't be too salty. And now I'm going to rub in the seasoning. Okay guys, so now we're going to pressure the cow foot a little bit, just for about 15 minutes. We're going to pressure the cow foot, just soften it a little bit, and then we start putting in like the food and stuff. We're doing the pressuring, a little pressure, you know. I pressure my cow foot because we don't have all day. So we're going to pressure it for a little bit, and then once it's softened up, then we put it in the soup and start adding some seasoning to the cow foot. We're not gonna pressure the chicken foot. Okay guys, so the cow feet is finished pressuring. Okay. So now I'm going to transfer it to a bigger pot, and I'm actually going to start cooking the chicken feet because we haven't cooked that yet. So we're going to put that into a bigger pot because that's what we're going to cook the soup in. So keep watching, it's going to be great. And if you're new, remember, welcome and subscribe because it's always a vibe on Weekend Vibe with Shornette. Okay guys, so I'm going to cook the chicken foot now, but I'm cooking it in a bigger pot, as you can see, because this is what we're going to cook the soup in. So we're going to add in the chicken foot and then cook for a while with a little salt. So we're going to put in some breadfruit, some coco, yellow yam, carrot, pumpkin, Irish potato. We're gonna put those in the soup, So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna peel them and get them cut up and ready to go. So keep watching. I'm still waiting for the water to boil. I can add in the chicken foot and so that can start cooking. So keep watching to see how it's gonna come out. Okay, mommy, I'm cutting the breadfruit. You know we can't get good breadfruit up here, so I don't know.
Wow, you know, look so good at all.
Yes. So we just have to use what we have.
It's not too sharp. Could be a little sharp.
Alright guys, so while mom getting the breadfruit ready, I'm going to start peeling these coco. And this one is the white cocoa. And these, most times these, when you put these in the soup, they mash out in the soup. I like the red one. You know the red one? Me like the red cocoa.
Some of them up here no hard, you know. Some of the red cocoa up here no hard because it's not left man.
Yeah.
Left man cocoa is very hard. But you have another red one what they call
Yeah, so I'm peeling them and then I'm gonna wash them.
Another red cocoa that is not red left man and it's soft.
Okay. So guys, we're getting these ready and cut them up, wash them, cut them up and get them ready to put in the soup. It's Saturday, so it's Saturday soup day. Peeling the Irish now. The breadfruit is peeled, washed and cut up. The chicken foot is ready and the pot is ready. So we're gonna add in, Mommy's gonna add in those to the pot. It's a big pot of soup, Saturday soup. Chicken foot and cow foot. Yeah. Just cut the pumpkin, so that's what the pumpkin look like. Nice color. And I always like to buy, I use a lot of pumpkins, so I always buy a whole pumpkin. So we're gonna cut the pumpkin peel and cut up for the soup. Okay guys, so I forgot to video this but from the start, but I already kneaded the flour to make the dumplings. So it's farmmeal dumplings. I have enough cornmeal and just flour, salt, cornmeal, and I knead it and I'm gonna put it down because I like to have everything prepped and ready. So it's ready to add into the soup. It makes it go fast. Irish and the cocoa, peeled, washed and cut up and ready. Come back, vibers, look at that. Look, you see that? And now we're gonna transfer. Gonna add in some
Boiled
hot water, boiled water from the. Okay, guys.
We're going to do some more addition, like putting in the carrots, the cocoa, and the potato.
So we're cutting up some yellow yam to put in there. You know, with yellow yam you have to, once you peel it and cut it up, pretty much you have to put it in as soon as possible because it starts turning red. So we're gonna put that in very quickly. Okay, so we're gonna add in the yellow yam. Okay.
Some red peas to the soup. It should have gone in already, but I just did not remember. Dump into the soup. It's going to be dumpling. That's not like something. Push the dumpling them to the bottom because them are something more with stick. So
Mommy, belly don't feel good.
Do it to a planet nowhere. I'm going to add a green pepper and some thyme. I'm also going to add the noodles from the cock soup and the pumpkin. Okay, so everything is being added. Just going to leave it to simmer for a couple more minutes.
So guys, check in. So guess what? The soup is done, and it looks good and it tastes good. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, look at that. Look at that. So SatDay soup is ready. Cow feet, chicken feet. Woo! Pumpkin, peas, cornmeal dumpling. Wow, it is ready. So we're gonna dig in. dumpling, chicken foot, oh, a piece of cow foot, and dumpling. Alright, that is it. Add some carrot on the top. And that's it, guys. Yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy. Right, look at that, look at that. It's a pumpkin, cow foot, chicken foot, soup. Okay, yummy. So yeah, we're finished cooking and now I'm going to eat and see. I'm gonna taste it. Taste. Yeah, tastes real good. It tastes like cow skin. You know, you cook cow skin. Tastes like cow skin. But the flavors I can taste. All the flavors yummy. It's good. Okay guys, so see you in the next video. Remember, on Weekend Vibes with Shornette, it's a vibe, so subscribe. Okay, bye.
Afro